Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression if we have 5 to the power of 10 plus 5 to the power of 8 plus 5 to the power of 6 plus 5 to the power of 4. So we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. We will show all of the working on this paper. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to focus on the exponents of these terms. So we have the exponent of this term is 5 is 10. We write it as 8 plus 2 and plus this is 5 to the power of 8 and plus this is 5 to the power of 6 and we write it as 4 plus 2 becomes 6 and this is our 5 to the power of 4. And now in the next step we will apply here the nice exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this exponent law, we will break the exponents of these terms and it will be written as 5 to the power of 8 multiplied by 5 square plus this is 5 to the power of 8 plus this is 5 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5 square plus this is 5 to the power of 4. So further in the next step, you see here we need to common 5 to the power of 8 from the first two terms and we will take common 5 to the power of 4 from the second two terms. So when you take common 5 to the power of 8 from first two terms, we will get the remaining terms are 5 square plus 1. And when we take common 5 to the power of 4 from the second two terms, we will get here 5 square plus 1. And now here in the next step, we need to simplify the terms and we have this is 5 to the power of 8. This 5 square equals to 25 plus 1 and plus this is 5 to the power of 4 and this 5 square is also equals to 25 and plus 1. So we have this is 5 to the power of 8 into 25 plus 1 becomes 26 and this is 5 to the power of 4 and this is also becomes here 26. And now in the next step, you see here we have 26 be the common term, so that here we take common 26 and the remaining terms are 5 to the power of 8 plus 5 to the power of 4. So we again focus on the exponents of this term and we have this is 26 times 5 to the power of 8 and we write this 8 as 4 plus 4 and plus this is 5 to the power of 4. So here we again apply the above exponent law. So according to that exponent law, we again break these exponents and we write it as 5 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 4 and plus 5 to the power of 4. So now you see here we have again you focus on the terms and you see here we have 5 to the power of 4 be the common term. So when you take common 5 to the power of 4 from these terms, we get the remaining terms are 5 to the power of 4 and plus 1. So now here our next target is to find the value of 5 to the power of 4. So you know that the meaning of 5 to the power of 4 is that we will multiply this 5 with 4 times. So here you see that 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 multiplied by 5 becomes 625. It means that 5 to the power of 4 equals to 625. So now we replace this 5 to the power of 4 equals to 625 and it will be written as 26 multiplied by 625. Here you have 625 plus 1 becomes 626. So here we need to multiply these two values first, so that in order to multiply these values we will break the 625 as 600 and plus 20 and plus 5 and this is our 626. So that now in the next step we need to multiply the 626 with each of these values and it will be written as 26 multiplied by, here you have this is 600 multiplied by 626 plus this is 20 multiplied by 626 plus this is 5 is multiplied by 626. So that we need to multiply all of these values here and we write it as 26 multiplied by, so when you multiply 600 with this 626, so here you consider this is our 1-digit number and this is our 3-digit number. So here we multiply this 0 with this number, we will get 0. When you multiply this 0 with this complete number, we get 0. When you multiply this 6 with this complete number, you get here 6. 6 are 36. We write 6 and carry 3. So 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1 becomes 37. Okay, so now in the next step we need to multiply this 20 with 626. So here we again consider this is one digit number, this is two digit number. So when we multiply this 0 with 626, we will get 0. So now we multiply this 2 with this number. So 2 6 are 12. We write 2, carry 1. 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 6 are 12. So we get here 12,520. Plus we multiply this 5 with 626. So you have 5 6 are 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. We write 3 and carry 1. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 becomes 31. Okay. So in the next step we need to sum up all of these values. For this we first add these two values and we will obtain here 375,600 plus when you add 0 plus 0 we get 0. This 2 plus 3 becomes 5. This 5 plus 1 becomes 6. This 2 plus 3 becomes 5 and this is our 1. So we add first these two values and we get our output in this form. And now in the next step we will add these two values and we obtain here 26 times. So here we first add this 0 with this 0, we will get 0. This 0 and plus 5 becomes here 5, and this 6 plus 6 becomes 12. We write 2 and carry 1. This 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. We write 1 and carry 1. This 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9 and this is our 3. So we get here 391250. So here we need to multiply this 26 with this number. So here we break our 26 as in this form 20 plus 6 and we multiply this number with 3912 and 50. So here we multiply separately this number. So we write it as 20 multiplied by 391250 and plus we multiply 6 with 3912 and 50. Okay. So now in the next step we first multiply this 20 with this number. So this is our complete one number and this is two digit number. So we multiply this 0 with this complete number, we will get 0. So now we multiply this 2 with these number. So 2 times of 0 becomes 0. 2 5s are 10. We write 0 and carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. We write 8 and carry 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we get here this is 7825000 plus we multiply this 6 with this number. This 6 times of 0 becomes 0. 6 5s are 30. We write 0 carry 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 9s are 54. We write 4 and carry 5. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 becomes 23. So finally we will add these two values and we get our final destination. So we add 0 plus 0 becomes 0. This 0 plus 0 becomes 0. This 0 plus 5 becomes 5. This 5 plus 7 becomes 12. We write 2 and carry 1. So this 2 and this 4 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. 8 plus 3 is 11. We write 1 and carry 1. And 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 becomes 10. So this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.